everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Our video is for the best engine of our body. We have 3A92 gasoline engine, 3-cylinder, 1.2 liters. This engine is for Mirage G4 2018 model. We're going to install the crankshaft bearing, crankshaft main journal lock, and we will going to measure the oil clearance of our crankshaft main journal bearing oil clearance using the plastic gauge.
So this is the engine we are going to assemble. So we will take so that the lower portion will put on top. Then we will going to install the bearings of our main journal bearing. Together our side thrust bearing here, both sides. Okay. This is our crankshaft bearing, the upper side. So we're going to install one by one. So this bearing will install in the first one. This is the upper side. The second one. Okay. The third one. Okay. Crankshaft bearing of our upper side. Okay. Okay. Then next we will pour a little quantity of oil for lubrication. Okay. On this side also for the thrust bearing, side thrust bearing. Okay. Our side thrust bearing, we're going to install like this position. So this portion is for the crankshaft side. Okay. So that oil passage, this groove is the purpose for the oil passages. Okay. We pour a little bit of oil so that it will not fill down. Okay. As you can see, I put already the plastic gates here. Another here. Here also, there is a plastic gates. And the last one with our number 1 journal here. Okay. We have our main journal cup. We will install to our engine here. Okay. We have here our main bearing cup. We have the bolts and we have the bearing. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. And the last one, number 4. Okay, then we will tighten all the bolts. We will torque. We will apply torque in a specified value. Okay, we're going to use special tools. As you can see, this is torch 12 mm. Okay, we're going to use to torque the main bearing cap bolt. 12 mm socket rings, torch type. Okay.
It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay.
Okay guys, we apply torque. We are using the torque pins. We will apply 35 Newton meter plus or minus 2, then plus 60 degrees to 64 degrees. Okay, let apply torque in the number 3 main journal cap. Okay, then the number 2, and the number 4, and the number 1. Then double check if all bolts apply the specified torque. Okay. After we apply specified torque, we will loosen this one. Later on, we have to apply first the 60 degrees for the final torque. Okay. Next steps, after we apply the 35 Newton meter, now we are going to use angle torque to apply the 60 degrees of our main bearing cap bolts. Okay, so this is the one we are using, the angle torque. We will set to 0, then we will apply 60 degrees for the final torque of our main bearing cap bolts. Okay,
I wanna stay with you. With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals.
Okay, that's the final torque. We apply all the we apply the 60 degrees in all the main bearing cap bolts. Now we are going to loosen all the bolts of our main bearing cap bolt so that we can check the plastic cage as an indicator of our specified oil clearance. Okay, now we are going to loosen all the bolts.
It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay.
Now we are going to remove the main bearing cap. We are going to remove the main journal cap.
Up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you.
Let us check the plastic cage that we put after we tighten the main journal cap bolt so that we can determine if within the standard value. Okay, so this is the number 4. So the crankshaft journal oil clearance is from 0.023 to 0.043 mm, and the limit is 0.1 mm. Okay, 0.038. This is number 3, 0.38 also. Number 1, 0.038 also. Okay, 0.038. So still within the standard value. Now we will clean the surface so that we can remove the plastic cage that we put in. Then we will apply a little bit of engine oil before we install the main journal cap. Now we will pour a little bit of engine oil, okay, so that there's oil lubrication. After that, we will install our crankshaft journal bearing cap. Okay, this is number 4. This is number 3. This is for number 2. And this is for number 1.
Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are.
Then we will apply the specified torque, 35 Newton meter plus or minus 2. Then the second step is after we apply 35 Newton meter, then we will apply the 60 degrees to 64 degrees for the final torque of our main crankshaft journal main cap. Okay.
It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one.
Now we are going to apply the final torque. Okay. We'll apply the 35 Newton meter plus or minus 2.
It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one.
The next is the 60 degrees.
Just take my hand and fly up to the clouds to where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you.
Okay, that's the final torque, 60 degrees of our main bearing cap bolt. Okay. Now we are going to measure the crankshaft axial entry of our crankshaft. So I put already the dial gauge. I set the dial indicator to 0. The standard value is from 0.09 up to 0.27 mm, and the limit is 0.30 mm. So I will use the screwdriver to move forward the crankshaft so that we can take the reading of our axial entry of our crankshaft. Okay. So that is the value 0.12 mm. Okay. So within the standard value, the actual reading we got in the crankshaft axial entry. Okay. After we tighten the main journal cap bolts, we have to put a little oil in the surface of our crankshaft. We're going to put the crankshaft bolt. We will rotate the crankshaft. Make sure that the crankshaft will rotate smoothly, like this, very smooth. After we tight the main bearing cap bolts. Okay. Okay guys, we finished the first part of our engine overhauling. We installed the crankshaft journal, and our crankshaft journal bearing clearance. So I hope you learned something, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Then hit the notification bell icon so that you can notify the next video tutorial. Thank you and God bless.